I have been involved in several different programs, schools, churches, but none of those programs worked out for me. One day, I just made it up in my mind that I'm determined and I want to be able to get my high school diploma. Researched the Excel Center, came, did orientation, and here I am. I started with the Excel Center August of 2022. So now, a year later, I'm about to be a graduate. The teachers are awesome. Life coaches, awesome. When I say support system, it's a support system from the students, staff. I'm very equipped. Due to my certifications, it was basically like a short-term goal that's going to lead up to my long-term goal, which I want to become a licensed practitioner nurse. I'm very thankful for the Excel Center. Being here at the Excel Center, it has taught me a lot. If you need help with work, everybody is willing to help you. Not even the students. You have teachers that's willing to tutor you. The Excel Center is an adult high school where you can obtain your high school diploma for free. Certifications are free. I'm an older person and I didn't think that I can do it. If you have faith in yourself, just believe in yourself, you can get it. There's no right or wrong age to start over. So if you want a better life for yourself, your kids, your family, when I thought I couldn't do it and I was about to give up, I worked hard, timeless after time after time. I'm talking about 3 o'clock a.m. doing classwork. I couldn't give up. I just wanted to work hard. So my family is very proud of me. Everything that the high school offers, Excel Center offers the same thing. I can't just put it all into words, but excellent program. And I'm very proud of myself that I made the correct decision to come to the Excel Center.